So unang-una, what is management? So when we say management, it is how businesses organize and direct workflow, operations, and employees to meet company's goals. Meaning to say, ito yung ginagawa ng mga negosyo para i-handle lahat ng kanilang resources, kasama na yung empleyado, yung kanilang financial resources, and their overall operations para ma-meet yung goals ng isang business firm. So basically, ano ba yung primary goal ng isang business? Siyempre, ang unang-unang goal niyan is to create income or increase their profitability. And then the second one is to create an environment that empowers employees and also develop an efficient workplace in order for them to be productive. So, ang isang organization na merong magandang management objectives and management operations ay magkakaroon ng guide yung mga employees kung paano ba magtatrabaho in the day-to-day basis ng kanilang employment. So, managers are involved in implementing and evaluating these structures. So, bilang manager, you are responsible na gawin yung mga bagay na to. Unang-una, ikaw ang magkikreate ng goals and objectives para sa iyong business or para sa iyong hinahawakang department sa isang organization. Ikaw ang mag-create ng schedule kung ano yung mga dapat na gawin na task or yung mga dapat na matapos sa trabaho. Ikaw ang magde-develop ng strategies to increase the performance and productivity of the team and the overall financial performance of your business. You should also ensure the compliance, no, with government regulations and also yung mga policies ba natin or yung mga company policies ay nasusunod ba ng mga empleyado. And then you should also mentor your employees. Iko-coach nyo sila, i-guide nyo para mas maging better employees sila. And then you will monitor the budgets, the productivity levels, and the overall financial performance. Kayo rin ang kakausap sa mga customer pag may mga problema. Kayo rin ang magte-train sa mga staff members natin or sa mga rank and file employees. So basically, yun yung trabaho ng isang manager. So medyo madami, ano? So being a manager, kailangan competent ka and you should know what you're doing. Kasi hindi naman pwede na mag-uutos ka sa empleyado mo pero deep inside or sa'yo, hindi mo alam kung ano yung inuutos mo. So paano maniniwala sa yung empleyado kung ano? Kaya dapat, you should be knowledgeable with your business or with your team. And kung ano ba yung mga goals natin sa isang organization ay kailangan nakaset para meron tayong vision sa isang organization. Ano nga ba yung importance ng management? So unang-una, it will help you achieve the company's goals, no? So a good management practice ay makakatulong para ma-reach natin yung mga goals ng organization. And then optimum utilization of resources, meaning to say, yung ating financial resources, not only the financial resources, but also the human resources ay magagamit natin to their highest potential in order for us to benefit more from them and mag-expand yung business kasi nga maganda yung utilization natin ng resources. Isa pa, reduce cost, meaning to say efficient yung ating galaw, hindi tayo magastos pagdating sa pag-reach ng goal. So nagagamit natin dahil nga optimum utilization of resources, nagagamit natin yung potential na yon at na-lesen natin yung cost na nagagastos natin para ma-reach yung goal. Establishes sound organization, meaning to say there is harmony, maayos ang nagtatrabaho yung mga empleyado at walang conflict sa isang organization. Establishes equilibrium or balance, meaning to say balance yung operations, ang mga functions ng empleyado hindi nag-overlap, and may kanya-kanya silang roles and responsibilities sa isang organization. And then establishes for prosperity of society. So bakit ba tayo nag-aim ng prosperity ng society? Kasi sila yung ating mga customers or clients. Pagka hindi tayo tumulong or pagka hindi natin gumawa ng paraan para maging prosperous or maging ma-uplift yung standard of living ng society, wala rin tayong customer or kliyente na bibigyan ng serbisyo. Wala rin tayong kikitain bilang isang business. So dapat ang paglago hindi lang basta sa business lang. Kasi kailangan kasama yung society. Kagaya ng ginagawa ng mga big companies. They implement yung tinatawag nating corporate social responsibility. They provide employment or other tulong, charitable works sa public para ma-uplift yung standard of living nila.